Welcome to Eating to Lose Speedy and Healthy Weight Loss Recipes. In this video, we will be sharing some delicious and nutritious recipes that will help you on your weight loss journey. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, these recipes are perfect for you. First up, we have a quick and easy breakfast option, the green smoothie bowl. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this refreshing bowl is not only good for you, but also tastes amazing. Simply blend together spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Top it off with some fresh fruits and nuts for added crunch. This bowl will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Next, we have a satisfying lunch option, the quinoa salad with grilled chicken. Quinoa is a great source of protein and fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Combine cooked quinoa with grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette. This salad is not only delicious, but also keeps you feeling full for longer. For dinner, we have a flavorful and low-calorie option, the baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to promote weight loss. Season the salmon with herbs and spices, then bake it in the oven until it's perfectly cooked. Serve it with a side of roasted vegetables, such as broccoli and carrots, for a complete and nutritious meal. And finally, for dessert, we have a guilt-free treat, the chocolate avocado mousse. Avocado is a great substitute for butter or cream in desserts, as it adds a creamy texture without the extra calories. Blend together avocado, cocoa powder, honey, and a splash of almond milk until smooth and creamy. Top it off with some fresh berries for a burst of sweetness. So there you have it, 4 speedy and healthy weight loss recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and help you reach your goals. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With these recipes, you can enjoy delicious meals while still losing weight. Give them a try and let us know how you like them. Stay tuned for more videos on eating to lose speedy and healthy weight loss recipes.